You've been waking up into the same frequency for weeks now. The alarm, the scroll, the tightening in your chest before your feet even touch the floor. That feeling is not who you are. It's just the station you've been tuned to. This is a morning practice from Circadian Zen. After the session, the frequency of your entire day shifts. No effort required. Just breathe and let this begin. Place one hand gently over your heart, the other on your belly. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Feel the cool air entering, tracing a path down into your lungs. And exhale fully, letting the exhale be longer than the inhale. Just let the body soften. Again, in and out. Notice the quiet beneath your thoughts, the steady hum of a body that has been breathing your whole life without instruction. This body, these lungs, they are not an afterthought. They are the instrument. Now bring your full attention to the space behind your breastbone. Not as a concept, as a physical location. Imagine your breath flowing in and out directly through this heart center. In through the heart, out through the heart. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. The HeartMath Institute has studied this for decades. When your heart rhythm becomes smooth and ordered, your nervous system shifts from stress into rest. Your brainwaves synchronize. Your body enters what they call coherence. It is not metaphysical, it is measurable. And it begins with this breath. Keep breathing into the heart. In. Out. Steady and slow. Now let a small memory rise. One moment when you felt genuinely grateful. Not for something grand, something simple. The way sunlight fell across your kitchen last Tuesday. The text from someone who didn't need anything, just checking in. The taste of coffee when you weren't rushing. Don't manufacture it, just receive it. Let the warmth of that memory fill your chest. This is the first frequency. Gratitude is not a concept, it is a cardiac event. It literally changes the rhythm of your heart. Let's build from here. 3 layers. First, your body. This body woke up this morning. It breathed through the night without being asked. Your heart has beaten roughly 100,000 times since yesterday morning. Every single one, a choice your body made for you. Let yourself feel that. Not as an obligation to be grateful, just as a fact worth pausing for. Second, one person, someone whose existence has touched yours. They don't need to be perfect. They don't need to be present. Just bring their face to mind. Feel the warmth of their having been in your life at all. Gratitude does not erase complexity. It just widens the frame. Third, one possibility waiting in your day. A conversation, a quiet hour, a walk, something you could meet with curiosity instead of resistance. Let yourself imagine it going well, not perfectly, just warmly. Let that possibility soften something in your shoulders. Here is where most gratitude practices stop. They count blessings and close the book. But gratitude was never meant to be a ledger. It was meant to be a frequency. And a frequency transmits. You are not just grateful for what arrived. You are the receiver of what is arriving. Still unfolding, still finding its way to you. Now see yourself at 6 p.m. today. You've already lived a day from this coherent state. You moved through the hours from heart rhythm, not from urgency. What did you say yes to? What did you release without drama? What landed in your lap that you didn't force? Don't plan it. Watch it as if it's already happened. Feel the quiet pride of someone who chose their rhythm instead of reacting to everyone else's. Feel the fullness of a day where you were not depleted. You were resourced. This is what coherence does. It doesn't just change how you feel, it changes what you notice. And what you notice, you attract. I will speak now. You simply breathe and let these words land where they need to. No effort, no repetition required. Just receiving. I am not waking into lack. I am waking into alignment. My heart sets the rhythm. My mind follows. I am grateful not because everything is perfect, but because everything is alive. Abundance is not something I earn. It is something I am available for. I release the story that I am behind. I was never behind. I was just waking up. Today moves at my pace. I set the tempo. What is meant for me does not need to be chased. It is already en route. I am a receiver of good things, seen and unseen, arrived and arriving. My gratitude is not a performance. It is a frequency, and the universe speaks this language. Sit with these for a moment, not memorizing, just letting them settle into the body, the way warmth settles into a room after the sun rises. Gently begin to bring awareness back. Feel your body on the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders once. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale with a soft sigh. You are not the same person who lay down a few minutes ago. You're tuned to a different frequency now. The day hasn't changed. The tasks are still there, but the one moving through them is different. More grounded, more open, less armored. Carry this coherence with you, not as a concept, but as a quiet knowing. If you feel the old frequency creeping back, the tightening, the rush, place your hand on your heart. Breathe into it for 5 seconds. Out for 5. That's all it takes to return. If this felt like home, save it. Come back tomorrow morning. The ritual builds. Each time you return, you arrive a little softer, a little less armored. This is how presence becomes a practice. This is your rhythm. This is your space. This is your beginning. This is Circadian Zen. When you're ready, softly open your eyes.